After some windy weather today, it will be at least a little less windy tomorrow. And by the way, we're actually getting the return of some clouds tomorrow for the first time in practically a week. And we'll also start to see by Monday our wind direction change, bringing in some northerly winds. And that'll be in by the evening, making sure that we are going to be briefly cooler for Tuesday. A day in the 70s there, but it's not going to last. We will be warming up again for Wednesday and Thursday. And our next chance of thunderstorms may be arriving next weekend. Timing could be around Saturday or Sunday. Yes, that would be roughly around Easter, so that is something we'll continue to monitor. But for now, we are keeping things windy throughout the rest of this evening and generally clear skies. We could start out with a partly cloudy look tomorrow morning in the Brazos Valley, but for most of central Texas, we'll get those clouds in here late in the afternoon into the evening. Again, the first time in about a week that we've even seen this. And those will continue to pass through Monday evening as a front drops through, making sure that we have drier and cooler air in for Tuesday. And that will be a partly cloudy day. You see the mix of clouds that'll be passing through the region there. Into tonight, your lows will be dropping down into the low 60s. Lots of 60s and 62s on the board here. And then getting into tomorrow, high temperatures will be basically in those upper 80s along and to the west of Interstate 35, warming up right before that front drops through, maybe even 90 there in San Saba, and then looking like the mid 80s for Interstate 45 and the Brazos Valley. There's that fall down into the 70s for Tuesday, 84 on Wednesday, and close to 90 on Thursday and Friday. And it is that Easter weekend where we will watch some potential for some thunderstorms. Hard to pin down exactly where or when that's going to be, but it looks like the opportunities are rising for some scattered showers and storms there. And into the Brazos Valley, 79 on Tuesday. Looks partly cloudy through the week. And then once again, right around that Saturday to Sunday time frame, we'll be watching for the chance of some showers and storms in the area.